Hello guys. I hope you're doing well. I hope you had a good um, London session. Hello, Aoche. We're gonna start with little recap. We have 10 minutes before uh, New York Open. So what happened in the London session? So with GOAT, we caught a small move from this beast of a move right here in total of 10.68 are crazy. So what happened? Basically, bias was bullish. If we see our PI areas, we started from the previous week low, and we came Friday, and this is Monday. We start with push during the Asian session, went down, and slowly but surely we start going up, 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 and the target was the Asian highs. Beautiful target. 5 minute, I think 1 minute close below. Let me double check. I'm not sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 1 minute close below. This is against our bias, so it was no go. But on 5 minutes, on the other hand, we had this small closure and second small closure, but with black candle with wick coming back. So this was the entry right here. Even if you enter right here, it won't be a mistake. You're still gonna get 1 hour to the Asian highs. It came back, retested the Europe area, and it just flew away. It didn't stop. It just didn't stop. And I was thinking, if you have trailing stop loss, look what kind of move you're gonna catch. 10R. Wow. This was our initial target, so it is what it is. Please take a look. Today's candle range is almost big as the previous week high and low. So if we go to a daily, we can see that Monday is big as almost the last week. Huge Monday. And keep in mind, today is bank holiday in London, which make it even crazier. What we're expecting now, we're gonna do a recap on US Tech as well. What we're expecting now, to be honest, it's a bit of a weird situation because of this huge move, and we enter consideration here, and we were just ranging, making new higher highs somehow. If we break above the orb, yes, we have a target, previous weekly high. It's a sweet target, but the daily candle will be huge. I don't know if we can make such a candle. Reverse, it's a bit risky. It's a bit risky, and I don't know, honestly. Really, this was amazing trade during the London session. I don't know if it's gonna give us anything at all. I'm a bit scared to go short. I'm a bit scared to go long at the moment with this price action. Maybe 1 minute short for some retrace, and then on 5 minute maybe looking for longs. Our candles, yeah, we had great push and then just ranging about. We took some liquidity from here. There is some more right here, but yeah, we can see retrace to this fair value gap. Definitely we can go down this fair value. We should go down before continuing further, or even this fair value gap. So I won't be surprised. So on 1 minute, we might enter very fast short. Very fast short. We have 5 more minutes. Okay, let's go to Nasdaq. Nasdaq today bias was short, way smaller candle. Today bias was short, and the trade we took was break even. What happened? So we were in uptrend, but in general we were in downtrend, as we can see. And just during the Asian session, we start reversing. Oh, this was a pullback in my eyes. So I was waiting for the short. And here we made change of character just when the orb opened. And with this push, when we went out from the orb, when we break out of the orb, we make change of character even deeper with those lows here. So on 5 minutes was looking very decent. We enter immediately, but on 0.5553 even, it came back, it took us out, it went over the orb, and then all the way down to the Asian lows, where was our target initially. Hello, Wolf. I hope you caught something this morning. I don't know if you were here from the beginning, but gold went crazy today. On 5 minute orb, it went crazy. It took Asia highs, our targets, for beautiful 1.48, and look what it did. 10R. Amazing. So if we keep going with Nasdaq, what happened after? Yes, it went down. It took the Asia lows, and at the moment, had a busy day today. Didn't trade London, but we'll trade New York. Yeah, let's do it. Yeah. As I said already, I'm a bit scared to trade gold, but we'll see. We'll see what's gonna happen now with the market open. What we can expect here now. So we have Asian low already taken. So ideally, we want to go back for Asian high, and from there we can see a bigger drop to the previous day low. This is very, very common structure. After taking during, let's say, London session, is taking the Asian lows or Asian highs, and then the New York session is doing the opposite, going for the other one. So in general, we are in uptrend for the past 10 days, even more. So buys maybe will be a better option for me. Um, for some retrace, but we can take more liquidity from here. We're in a huge fair value gap here. We just filled in this fair value gap. So the plan is 1 minute Nasdaq longs, 1 minute gold shorts, but in long term is the opposite. So this will be very fast trades. We'll try to get in and get out for 5 to 10 minutes if the market gives us opportunity. Again, this move was very big already. I don't know if we can make another push like this. So it's more logical to go back, as I said before, into one of those fair value gaps here. Okay, 30 seconds. Prepare on this side. Okay, we started. Aggressive push, as we spoke. This is our area of interest right here, this liquidity up here. I'm gonna mark some liquidity as a target right here. Right here. And we'll see if we're gonna go over the 50% of view up. If we talk gold, liquidity areas will be this fair value gap. Now we need to remember how price is moving, right? It's moving from internal liquidity to external liquidity. So before continue for this previous week highs, you need to go back, grab some liquidity and keep going higher. So this is our zones of interest where we can take our profits. Okay, everything goes as planned. Gold open down. So we might see something interesting here. Oh, Nasdaq is wandering around the rangy candles. Let's start marking our areas. Oof. Right. Now, where the price can stop is at these lows. So this is a place where we need to monitor very closely, because from here it might grab some liquidity and turn around. This area we need to watch closely. We can see this is a resistance area. This is very important area as well. If we trade below it, this will be good confirmation that we're gonna go even deeper. So far, this is what we can see. This is what candles are telling us. We start just the fourth candle. Again, here we're interested in longs. Oop. To these liquidity areas here. And on gold, we're interested. This is for the 5 minute for the 5 minute orb. We're interested in shorts, and we want to see how we go out of this red area and go below. Two, three, four, five. This is the last one. I want to see if it makes sense. 0.80, 0.43. Okay. Orb window is closed. I like those candles on gold, to be honest. I like them more than what I see with Nasdaq. Okay, Nasdaq is going higher. I want to see how gold is going lower. Let's see how we're gonna break those lows. 30 seconds for this candle. Right, Nasdaq. I think we're switching to Nasdaq for the moment. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, I like it. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. I'm in. Hopefully it won't take us out. This is the target right here. Let's see. Oh, gold as well. We're gonna grab this liquidity now. Didn't saw this candle. But this is the type of move we're looking. Something fast. Down there, not bad. I don't like how it closed. Let's see here. Okay, let's just enjoy the ride here. Let's just enjoy the ride. Now, is it 0.5 at this liquidity level? Yes. Gold is giving mixed signals. For real. I think I might try it as well. Yeah, I'm gonna try gold as well. Okay, I'm in on gold. I'm in on both. Nasdaq is not looking great now. Okay, gold starts looking good. Yeah, gold keep on giving mixed signals. I'm afraid if we take this lows, what's gonna happen? Ooh, this candle is nasty. Ooh. Yeah, we went against the daily trend. Yeah, it doesn't look good, this one. I still think it's gonna go higher. Come on, bring us back to life. Go doing. Gold is not looking very good as well. It leaves very big wicks, but it keeps going higher and higher. Basically, on the both trades, we went um, against the daily trend. I think Nasdaq will take us out any second. It almost tapped my stop loss. So yeah, we're not playing with the daily trend with both trades. We're against the daily trend. Yeah, I'm out on this one with a huge wick. Let's hope Goldie will fix this for us. And I think it's gonna retrace higher than this. Here, I might watch for some unicorn model with the London lows here. Nasdaq took us out and came back to the price. Okay. So this is what you wanted. Look gold, how nice and steady it's going just higher and higher. And this wick, oh my days. From 13 all the way to 15. What a wick. I don't think we're gonna reverse from. I don't think we're gonna continue the trend from here. We'll go back definitely with gold. At least gonna drop to the price. It's gonna take those lows. And Nasdaq came to the price. So this is the 5-minute orb. Now we all need to have some rules regarding our risk management, and mine is very clear. It's 2 losses per day. It doesn't matter how many wins but it's 2 losses per day. So I made my 2 trades now. We lost one. We'll see what's gonna happen with this one. We took one from the London um, London session with with Goat. It just leaves so big wicks behind. I don't like that at all. At all. With the last move. I think he'll come back. I'm not so worried about the gold. I'm a bit annoyed of this. It was a nasty move. Haven't seen the chat. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, let's go. Unfortunately, one of the trades is out nasty in a nasty way. Just wick us out and came back to the price. God is struggling so much to make a dark candle. This one doesn't look very good. Go back. Nasdaq, why are you doing this to me? Why this red is so red? Is it better like this? It was very red. Maybe because it's gonna hit our stop loss. I think we had a good plan in hand. Um, just Nasdaq just really tricked us here. Gold, as I said, we play with fire here. Gonna take me out any second now. Yeah, yeah. Foo, foo, foo. Now if it does the same, I'll be annoyed. Okay, Nasdaq at least is falling now. Very strange that we didn't make it that deep to this support level here. We couldn't even make it down here. Because if we made it down there, we could move our stop loss because this is more than 0.5. As the idea was good. Execution, not so good. Okay, at least Nasdaq is falling again. Well, as one of my friends are saying, we can only win, we need to lose sometime. It's part of the game. Now I'm interested to see what's gonna happen with the 5-minute op. Let's watch them like this, side by side. 1, 2, 3 candles. Boom. Nasdaq. There we go. It'll be interesting if we're more people when people start to actually write something in the chat and we can have a conversation here. Otherwise, I'm like crazy talking to myself only. I think I just got a delivery. So I'll be back in a second. I'm back on it. Do you think should we go in on Nasdaq? What do you think? There's one more minute though. Oh, I'm afraid about those liquidities here. If it grabbed them now, it might return. We're against the daily bias again. It doesn't look too bad as well. Yeah, 70 seconds. Think, yeah. Wow. Oh, that's the news. There was more news. Service PMI. I didn't thought they're gonna. It's not a very big volume though. But I think it's gonna be even smaller than this. Uh, the idea is gone now because we already took this liquidity. We're way too high now. It doesn't make sense at the moment. It's gonna take this liquidity. Yeah, it's break even now, just for a minute. But you have to be fast. Yeah, gold came back to the price. It took the liquidity from below. It fills this one. Zero 0.5 exactly. It made 0.5. So now it's a risk-free one. Nasdaq came down, took it. It was just a bad luck today. It was just bad luck. Oh, the day was good with the first trade on gold. But this one was very bad luck. And we missed to ride this wave again. Uh, Look for how little it took us out here. It's just criminal. It took us out and it went in our favor. Same here. It took us out. So the entry was right here. This was the entry. This was the stop loss. 1.17 now. Just bad luck, guys. Just bad luck. Well, I think we're gonna wrap it for today. We saw what we wanted to see, but not at the time we wanted to see it. As I said, in 1 minute, we were aiming for these levels here. But it took us out first and decided to go and take them. And with gold, we were aiming for these levels here. It took us out and now it's break even. There is days like this. It's just small chance. That's it. Okay, guys. It was fun again to be with you. I hope you learned something. And yeah, stay safe on the market. See ya.